This video demonstrates how to use TV2HLS to stream live TV to the internet. It's based on Apple's HTTP live streaming model, which uses sort of standard web technologies for distributing live TV. For my demonstration today, I'm using a Hapag TV tuner, which happens to support analog, DVB-T, DVB-C and DVB-S. It supports all sorts of other tuners including sort of North American standards like ATSC and ClearQuam and so on as well. For the test, I'm going to use DVB-T. So I've got my antenna connected. I'm going to choose New Zealand and my local transmitter and hit scan. It takes a few seconds to start the device, and then the scan itself is fairly quick. So there we go, there's my TV channels coming in, I've got them all. OK out to save it. You can now see that there's 31 channels that have been configured on that tuner. Next up we go to the stream settings. I'm not going to need to change a lot of these. The defaults are fine for this test. The one set of settings that you'll typically need to look at first are your publishing settings. Now these are how the application will connect to your web server to distribute your streaming files. In my case, I'm going to use Secure FTP, and I've already entered my host name, username and password, and the directory on my web server where I'm going to publish the files. Alternatively, there are other methods you could have used, like standard FTP, or if you've got your web server running on the local machine, or if it's running somewhere accessible on the network, like a network share where you can publish files, then you can use this publishing option. In my case, we'll go with Secure FTP. Okay, we're almost there. So last thing we'll do is we head to the Streams tab, and it's got the list of channels that we found during the scan. So let's start a stream. So I'll just click a channel and hit Start Stream. It goes off and spends a few seconds connecting and starting to upload the stream files. Just to go back and point out one thing on the settings screen, we did actually have this checkbox here which says to publish a test page. Now at the bottom here, because we had that enabled, it's actually uploaded to the web server a small demo player that we can use, and there's a link to the URL to view it. So if I click on that, I'll just drag it on from my other monitor. So that's the one channel that we're currently publishing. Okay, because this is the digital tuner, and digital tuners typically receive more than one channel per frequency, whilst that TV tuner is tied up streaming TV1, I can also stream the other channels that are on the same frequency. So I can go and stream here the few others that are available on that frequency. So there we go, I've gone and started 4 simultaneous live TV channel streams, and in a second I'll show you those playing. So there's all 4 of them streaming now. It takes 20 seconds or so for each stream to start. So I'll click on the test page. So here we go, it's got the 4 channels listed that I'm streaming, and I can just click on a channel to start watching it.
So over here with Max and Jaden, hey boys. Now these are okay, well that was round 1.
Likewise, you can point an iPad or an iPhone or something at the URL here and see the same channels.
How's it going?
Most people will probably be using their own custom player. They'll create their own pages, but this will give you a template to get you started and show you how to do it.